Ania kita karon sa production area sa Chedz Designer Cakes. Tara, ug atong takihon kung unsaon paghimo sa fruitcake. Hi! Hello! Noon siya si Miss Cecille. Ating interviewin kung unsaon niya paghimo sa fruitcake.
Okay, so today we're gonna be making fruitcake. Kaya mo ginay sikat na recipe karong Christmas season. So, mo ni siya ang mga kinanglan na ingredients. First thing we need is the fruits. You can use any kind of fruit, the grapes, cherries, the glazed fruits, anything that you have available or you can just buy. And then, ang important yun ani sa fruitcake is the marinating the fruits. So, we have already done that ahead of time, kay overnight man na siya. So, we marinate the fruits with grape juice, orange juice, pineapple jam, rum, and honey. So, overnight, you let it marinate para mo kuan gyud ang juices mo. Diri man gyud naka-focus ang pagkalami sa fruitcake. Mo gyud ni nakalami sa fruitcake. So, overnight, you have prepared that ahead of time. So, the other ingredients are the butter, or you can also use margarine, and then eggs, and then brown sugar, and then here we already mixed the flour, the cinnamon powder, the baking soda, and a little bit of salt. And then, of course, the nuts for decorating later on. So, we'll proceed with the mixing of the butter and the eggs. So, ang first thing you do is, you can use a stand mixer or a hand mixer, or you can just even use a spatula if you don't have a mixer at home. So, mo ni siya, this is the butter. We will mix it here. After this, you have to cool it down for about almost an hour or so, para at least.
So mga higala, tilawan na to ang nahimo nga fruitcake ni Miss Cecille. So, kung unsa bagyod kini siya kalami, di ba? So karong Paskuhan na natay tip kung unsaon paghimo ang fruitcake, di ba? Okay kaayo, Miss.
So, if you have mga orders and inquiries, pwede sila mo check out sa among website sa www.chedzcakes.com, and napod may fan page sa Facebook na Chedz Designer Cakes. I-search lang siya sa Facebook. We have